Recently, I've had a few people ask me what the difference is between feedback and critique, because they've heard me talking about Critique Club, the small group mastermind program that I run. Now, to me, it's about specialization. Feedback, on the whole, is general. Now, a lot of us seek feedback, and what we tend to get is either, that was pretty good, or that didn't work. And occasionally it might lead into a, maybe you should think about doing some of this. To me, that's too general. Critique is about the detail. Critique is about that first opening line didn't quite work. Let's try changing that word to see if that hits better. Or that joke doesn't quite land. Let's see if we can tweak it slightly to make it funnier. Critique is about detail. It's about drilling into exactly what people are saying or doing when they're presenting. And to my mind, the people who want to be good presenters, good speakers, are the ones who will seek critique. Too many people just seek feedback. And feedback can be great, can be useful, but it's not detailed enough. I think the other thing you have to think about with feedback and critique is who you are seeking it from. Taking feedback from a wide range of people can be useful because you can sort of gauge a general reaction to something. And you're going to get differences in those views, but that can sometimes be useful. Critique, however, should come from people who you know and respect. You know that they have expertise that you can learn from. You know that they are good at what you want to get better at. And thus, they can really drill into exactly what you're doing. In presenting, that might be what the words you're using. It might be the content you're delivering. It might be your body language. It might be your eye contact. It might be your energy, your humor. All these different things can all be critiqued and made better. But feedback, yes, that was great, or I didn't like that, maybe do a bit of this, isn't as useful. So if you are somebody who is looking to become a better presenter, a better speaker, maybe it is time that you had critique, not just feedback. As I say, that's one of the reasons I started Critique Club, which is my small group program for 6 people, maximum 6 in a group, for 6 months. We get together once a month for a half day of coaching, and you have a chance to deliver content that you are going to be delivering on stage or in room or on Zoom. And you get critique from me and also other people who are learning with you. So it's an opportunity for you to get really targeted, actionable points that you can really use to make your presentations better. As part of Critique Club, you also get 2 one-to-one sessions with me. And with that, we can really get into the detail, the nitty-gritty of your presentations to make sure they're as good and as effective as they can be. Now, the next cohort of Critique Club will be starting very shortly. If you're interested, you can look at critiqueclub.co.uk or drop me an email, steve@stevebustin.com, and I'd be very happy to set up a call, have a chat with you about it. There are only a few spaces left for this next cohort, so get back now. Do come and join me. It's a great, fun program, and the feedback I've had from people is how much better they are at speaking and presenting, how much more confident they feel, and how much better their presentations are being received by their audiences. Surely it's time that you had the same. Speak to you soon.